RNS is a decentralized service that uses human-readable domains to replace complicated blockchain addresses made up of long chains of letters, numbers, and characters that are difficult to remember and error-prone. Bobby is using the RNS domain bobby.rsk. When you transfer cryptocurrency to Bobby, you won't have to remember the wallet address. You'll only need the information bobby.rsk. dApp developers who need decentralized authentication and decentralized identity for their users can integrate RNS as a reliable solution. RNS can also be used to identify other personal resources, such as payment channels, ID, storage, or communication addresses, as well as decentralized websites hosted on IPFS and Swarm. Visit rifos.org today to register your domain and integrate RNS. Welcome to RIF Name Service, built on top of RSK and Bitcoin.